Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said in the last few years the government is working towards enhancing the skill of crores of young people through the Skill India mission and the Kausal Vikas Kendras. He was addressing the post-budget webinar on PM Vishwakarma Kausal Samman. Mr. Narendra Modi will visit Madhya and Hubballi Dharwad in Karnataka tomorrow. He will dedicate virus development initiative and lay the foundation stones of infrastructure projects. Senior BJP leader and cabinet minister Alexander Lalu Haq said the party has very little role in fulfilling the demands of the implementation of the inner line permit and the inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the constitutions. India on Saturday recorded 456 new coronavirus infections, pushing the tally of 4.46 crore, while the active cases increased to 3,406. In cricket, India were 177 for 1 against Australia in their first inning on day 3 of the fourth and final test match of the Border Gavaskar Trophy in Ahmedabad when report last game in